over here. Sweetie, today we are cooking egusi soup. Hopefully you have already cooked meat, so this week I'll be cooking since. At this week I'm going to be adding fish. So I make use of this head of fish, and then I have the thing already. So add the pomo. So I'm stir everything so that everything will cook together again. I'll cover that. So we're going to be needing blender. So here we have already washed egusi. I'm grinding that twice. Then add on water. It grinds so perfect. So add in the remaining one, then get that blend. Then add the water. So now the egusi is ready and everything is blended. Processor to process this bell pepper. So now add the hot pepper. Then add the onions and then get that process. Now we have the pepper. Keep it over here, keep it aside. So over here we are going to be adding crayfish. Sweetie, at this point, I'm done with the crayfish. Just add it over here, keep it aside. At this point, the meat has cooked and I've already turned off the heat. So all I do now is to keep it aside. Here on this pan, we are going to be adding red oil. Add the local beans. Add the pepper mix. Then stir that together. Allow this to fry for just 1 minute before you proceed. Then season with no cube at this point. Then add the salt to taste. Then stir. At this point, it's ready. Now we are going to be adding the egusi. Just adding the egusi little by little like this until you add everything inside the pot. So once you give it that first stir, you are now going to be pouring this water. So this is the water that you use to whisk your blender. Okay, some people think it's milk. This is not milk. So this is not milk. It's water that you use to blend to whisk your blender that you use to blend the egusi. So now you are going to allow this to turn to boil. Now you're adding the crayfish. Adding dry fish. Then stir. Then allow this to boil. See, look at that. Look at the soup is coming boiling for. So now you stir and keep allowing that to cook. So don't allow this to burn. So cover. So switch on the vegetable. We are going to make use of this palak. So look if you have any dirty, but there is no dirty, guys. They've already picked it very nice. Then I slice it. So now you are going to add the vegetable back over here. You want the vegetable will cook over like this. Add a pinch of salt, then stir that together to just wash. You're going to whisk it with cold water and you are going to be having your vegetable. So press it very well to get rid of the water and you are going to be having something like this. So now the vegetable is ready. You can keep it over here. So this is palak. So once you prepare palak like this, you are going to love it. Back to the soup. Wow. Like at this point, the soup are fried so perfect. You can see that. This soup. Now the soup fries so nice and you can see fries so perfect. Now you are going to be adding the protein. So adding the protein like this and then stir. I'm going to transfer everything back over here. I'm going to enable chance to. So this pot is more better, so we are going to see space to turn it like this. So now we are going to add in the remaining beef and the center is adding the minced stock. Then stir that together. Like follow this process to cook egusi soup, you will love it. So sweetie, at this point you are going to be adding the vegetable, so that is the palak. So now you stir. So stir that together. So the soup is not going to take time in the heat anymore for everything to get combined. Just 5 minutes, we are going to be back. So now we stir and then cover this for 5 minutes to do the job. sweetie. Look at that. And this bread is super cool and it has come out so perfect. Look at that. He said this is the best way you can ever cook your egusi soup. Go for party, go for eat at home. You're going to love this. It's so delicious and it's well cooked. So sweet, don't forget to try this recipe. Look at that. So yummy. You can always enjoy this with any available swallow around you. Don't forget to share and try it for yourself in my next one. Bye bye.